Today we're gonna talk about an AI tool from where you can create hundreds of short videos from a long video like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels and TikTok videos in just one click in a couple of minutes. You should also earn money by uploading these shorts on YouTube. It's too much simple. So without wasting any time, let's get our hand on the video. Guys, recently AI has launched a tool from where you can create hundreds of YouTube shorts, TikTok video, Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. This tool is named as Opus Pro. Opus Pro is very simple to use. You just have to copy the link of the video from which you want to create shorts, reels or whatever you want to, and then go to that tool website www.opuspro.ai, and after going there just paste the link there and simply click to generate button to generate clips. It will take some couple of minutes and then it will produce hundreds of shorts instantly. Each of the short is edited to perfection, emulating the style of Alex or Mozi. So you guys don't need to be editing that short. It will also reduce your stress that how to edit them. After that, you just simply download them and upload wherever you want to. But nowadays people are taking advantages of that AI tool. They make YouTube short from this tool and upload simply to YouTube and start earning money, because each clip shows a virality score, means views and likes, and also along with an explanation why these shorts are going to be viral. For instance, I know one YouTube channel which got 10 million, 13 million to 15 million views on every YouTube shorts and earning $5,000 to $80,000 per month. Opus Pro is very simple to use. It's an opportunity for that people who want to earn money at home from social media like YouTube channels. There is a no danger of copyright strike from YouTube. That's the reason that people are creating and copying content in short videos, because shorts get easily viral and get likes, subscribes and open the ways of simple money earning. So instead of scrolling down the videos on social media, you guys make channels and upload videos there and earn money.